Hello, I'm Sabrina Diano, Director of the Institute of Human Nutrition at Columbia Irving Medical Center, and I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you. Over the years, IHN research program has evolved as the science has progressed. Research in our institute has expanded to encompass obesity and diabetes, cancer, and more recently, neurodegenerative diseases and psychiatric disorders. IHN tries to bring basic biomedical research approaches to the study of the mechanism of nutrient action in health and diseases, ultimately shaping the Institute of Human Nutrition we are proud to present today.
Location, location, location is a real estate mantra, but it also, I think, is relevant for biomedical research. The location can be limiting, or it can really open doors and opportunities. And Columbia University Irving Medical Center, as one of the world's largest integrated medical research centers, provides a large number of opportunities that are found in very few places elsewhere. Aside from National Institute of Health funded diabetes, obesity, cancer, Alzheimer's Center, and 10 more, there are 4 schools, a hospital that's one of the largest and best in the country. And so while our science is really laboratory-based, it often has a perspective and is informed by health and the clinical surrounding in which we find ourselves, providing both resources for further investigation, but also providing translational opportunities, even if they're not something that you pursue, but are followed up by our colleagues across the street in the hospital.
I'd actually like to pick up on a couple points that Tony made with regard to both the breadth and the scope of research interest within our training faculty, which is housed within the Institute of Human Nutrition, gets all kinds of support for our PhD program from the staff there. We span a wide range of disciplines and research areas, and I think in part that's because we're not a traditional department. We're actually very interdisciplinary in scope and by design, actually. I think one of the important features of our PhD program is that we're sort of a program within a greater program that really incorporates all of the basic science programs here at the medical center. So we have an ongoing student body of anywhere from 28 to 30 something students housed within a program that has 300 students. And during the first year in the program, you will be taking courses with students from other programs. So you really get a breadth of exposure to other students, but you have a home base within the Institute of Human Nutrition.
We are so proud of our graduate students. In addition to spearheading cutting-edge basic research and publications, they've also taken leadership roles in the graduate student organization and also in affinity groups like the Gender, Inclusion, and Diversity group and in the Women in Science at Columbia group. After graduation, our students typically go on to careers in academia, in the biotech industry, or in scientific consulting. And I have to say, for being a student in New York, Columbia really gives the students a great opportunity to take advantage of the many different cultural offerings that are in New York. They provide free or discounted tickets to a lot of different events. And they also, during these pandemic times, have provided links to special programming as well, as it's a priority for the university. So our students have really had an opportunity to take part in what is really best and most exciting about New York.